I love the connection. It actually brings the training environment into a real world environment. So the students are used to, it's all theoretical, but out here it's not. It's actual application. So that's a big difference. And so we use this opportunity for them to get the hands-on experience. So when they go into the real world, it's not the first time they've seen it.
How did you feel that you're about to move this person out of the car? What injuries did it have?
We've seen different views of the medical field on how EMS and firefighters work together as a family. The reason I'm taking this class is because it's going to help me when I go into the military.
What's going on behind us is that the actual students are practicing the actual extrication of a patient, right? So what we've done in this case is we've simulated patients being inside of this vehicle. The fire department already came and cut it up for us, and now we're actually removing the patients in a safe manner and with the intent to be able to transport them on an ambulance for them to go to the hospital.
I've seen a bunch of accidents before, but I'm just there to help people. I want to save lives.
Each one of these individuals has the ability to complete the certification, and they could actually be on an ambulance, going to a home that could represent anybody's family here in the city of McAllen. Several of our graduates that are actually currently working, this program gives them the ability to come out of high school with a job that is actually in demand.